Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinguished lecturers. First of all, thank you for the opportunities given to me to present my thesis proposal entitled The Role of Job Satisfaction in Mediating the Effect of Self-Efficacy and Perceived Organizational Support on Work Engagement at the Directorate General of Islamic Education, Ministry of Religious Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia. I'm Aridini Zulfa from the Master of Management program. Okay, next, bureaucratic reform has shifted the evaluation of civil servant performance beyond administration duties to include service quality, responsive, innovation capability, and cross-sector collaboration capability. In this content, employee performance becomes a crucial factor in determining whether public organization can achieve their strategic objective effectively. In the Directorate General of Islamic Education, Ministry of Religious Affairs has a major responsibility in managing Islamic education throughout Indonesia, including madrasah education, Islamic higher education, diniyah education, and Islamic boarding school. However, based on preliminary observation, there are still competency gaps among employees. Although organizational performance tends to be high overall, around 63.3% of employees have not yet reached the optional competency category. For another interesting phenomenon is that employee work engagement in the diagram. Employee work engagement remains very high, even though perceived organizational support is only at a moderate level. It is according to the Job Demands Resources Model or JDR model, organizational support should contribute positively towards work engagement. Therefore, this phenomenon indicates that there may be other internal factors influencing the employee engagement. The study assumes that self-efficacy may encourage employees to remain highly engaged despite moderate organizational support. In addition, job satisfaction is supposed to play an important mediating role in this relationship. Okay, next I will tell about research gap. In this study is based on several research gap. First, the empirical gap. Previous study contributed to by Nasrullah and Rai found that self-efficacy directly influenced work engagement positively. However, other studies conducted by Fredita and Zhou found different results, where self-efficacy doesn't significantly affect work engagement directly, but rather through mediating variables such as job satisfaction. The second is population gap. Most previous studies were conducted in private sector organizations such as manufacturing companies, hospitals, and telecommunication industry. Meanwhile, in public sector organizations have different characteristics, including more formal bureaucracy structure, strict regulation, and stronger public service orientation. The third and the last is a practical gap. At the Directorate General of Islamic Education, there are competency variation, moderate perceived organizational support, but very high work engagement. This condition indicates inconsistency between organizational reality and previous empirical findings. Therefore, the study is important to explain the mechanism behind employee work engagement in the government sector. Okay, next slide is research question and research objective. A research question based on the background and gaps identified earlier. This study formulates several research questions. In it is a 7 research question and 7 research objective. Okay, next about green theory. I use a GDS model or the Job Demand Resources model. This study adopts from GDR models developed by Baker and Demorty as the main theoretical foundation. Now, according to the GDR model, employee work engagement is influenced by job resources and personal resources. So, in this study, perceived organizational is categorized as a job resources. Then self-efficacy is categorized as a personal resources, and job satisfaction acts as the mediating variable. This framework is considered relevant because it explains how we organize how the theory organize and psychological factor interacting to employee engagement. Okay, next slide is about definition of research variable. This research framework is explained that employee with high self-efficacy tend to feel more confident in completing their tasks, which might increase uh, both job satisfaction and work engagement. At the same time, employees who perceive strong organizational support are more likely to feel valued and appreciate leader to higher satisfaction and engagement level. Job satisfaction is proposed as a mediating variable because stratified employee generality demonstrates stronger emotional attachment and involvement towards their works. Yes, it is. So research framework, I'm sorry, where? Oh, hypothesis. Based on the theoretical framework and previous studies, this study formulates 7 hypotheses, in general. All hypotheses propose a positive and significant relationship among self-efficacy, perceived organizational support, job satisfaction, and work engagement. Additionally, job satisfaction is hypothesized to mediate the relationship between self-efficacy and work engagement, as well as perceived organization support and work engagement. For the research method I use, the study used a quantitative approach. The population consists of employees at the Directorate General of Islamic Education, Ministry of Religious Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia. The data will be collected using questionnaire with Likert scale measurements, and the data analysis technique is used structural equation modeling with partialist squares or SIMPLS, SIMPLS is selected because it is suitable for testing complex relationships, including mediating effect among variables. The research consists of two stages. This slide. Research analysis model. The analysis consists of two stages. The first is outer model and the second is inner model. First, in the outer model, which include convergent validity, discriminant validity, composite reliability, and convergence alpha. The second is the inner model evaluation, which examines the structural relationship among variables and tests the proposed hypothesis. So this model also evaluates the mediating effect and of job satisfaction. Next slide And the last slide is theoretical contribution and practical contribution. In the theoretical contribution, theoretically, the study is expected to strengthen the application of the job demands research model in the public sector content, particularly within government institutions. The study also enriched literature regarding the role of self-efficacy and perceived organizational support in influencing work engagement to job satisfaction. And for the practical contribution, practically, this study is expected to provide recommendations for the Directorate General of Islamic Education in improving employee management strategies. The finding may the finding may help organization in change like employee self-efficacy, organizational support, job satisfaction, and also ultimately work engagement. This study is also expecting to support policy-making processes related to employee performance and organizational effectiveness. That concludes for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I welcome all the suggestions, feedback, and questionnaire. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.